ZoneSafe has just added that little extra to the safety. If somebody gets complacent and they don't toot their horn coming in the building, with the ZoneSafe, that shovel driver knows there's somebody in that area, even if he doesn't toot his horn. It was well received by our guys on site, also with the contractors, and it's been well received by any visitors coming on the site. The EA, Natural Resource Wales, everybody has complimented us for installing an extra safety to our site. It's paying dividends. You just can't put a cost on somebody's life.